Hello everybody, my name is Niliam and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special treat for you guys. I am recreating one of my original YouTube pieces. It's called Falling Feathers. I've been commissioned to recreate it, and so I have been watching my own tutorial to try to imitate exactly what I did for that piece. This piece, I've tried it now 3 different times, and on the final try, it finally came out the way that I wanted. So yeah, I'm listing all the materials in the comment section below, and if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to my channel, as I would love to continue on making great content for you all. With all that being said, keep on watching. If you've made it this far into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment in the section below. Alrighty, the moment of truth is finally here. Let's see how it ended up. So I'm so pleased with the results of this piece, guys. After 3 different tries, finally getting it as close as possible to the original was definitely a feat, but I was so happy with the end product. Now it's just a matter of giving it a good varnish coat and then shipping it off to its owner. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Your support definitely goes a long way. I look forward to seeing you guys on next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Pass on the word, share the videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.